How to turn on face recognition in photos. Here's what you need to know. Face recognition in the Photos app works automatically and doesn't have a dedicated on or off switch. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Photos. Make sure Show Featured Content is turned on. This allows photos to display memories and recognized people, depending on your iPhone and iOS version. Next, open the Photos app. Tap the Albums tab, then scroll down to the People and Places section and tap People. If your iPhone has already detected faces, you'll see them here. Simply tap a person, then tap Add Name to label them. If you don't see any people yet, keep your iPhone plugged in and connected to Wi-Fi. The Photos app scans your library in the background, so it may take some time for faces to appear, especially if you have a large photo library. And that's it. You've learned how face recognition works and how to manage recognized people in the Photos app on your iPhone. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more iPhone tips, tricks, and how-to videos.